Very good morning, my dear students. In the last video session, we have seen about the distribution and effects of earthquake. And today we are going to see about volcanoes. What are volcanoes? A volcano is an opening in the earth's crust, that is the surface of the earth, through which hot magma erupts. Erupts means comes out from deep below the surface. The molten rock material within the earth along with the gases, that is called as magma. So when it rises to the surface, when it was under the earth, it is called as magma, but when it comes out to the surface, it is called as lava. And this lava with other material flow out of the volcano and it accumulates around the opening and form a conical hill or a mountain opening, which is the mouth of a volcano. This top of volcano forms a funnel shaped depression that is called as crater. If the crater is big sized and is shaped like a basin, it is called a caldera. Here you can see caldera, it's like a basin shape. Caldera by violent explosions. That means when the volcano bursts out. So when it bursts, which blows away entire tops of the great cones. So the top of the volcanoes will be thrown away. Now we'll see the causes of volcanic activity. That means how it is formed. When temperature increases as the depth increases at the rate of 1 degree Celsius for every 35 meters. Due to great pressure at a depth of about 15 kilometers, the pressure is about 5 tons per centimeters of rock. Here the interior of the earth is a semi-molten state that is called as magma. So due to great pressure, the magma will dissolve great volume of gas. Some gases are combustible, that is, they'll burn. They are ready to burn. So this makes the volcanic material burst through the weak spots in the earth's crust, where and all you can find the surface is very weak. In those places and all, it will be bursting and the crust will be broken into parts. The study of volcanoes are called volcanology. The one who studies, they are called as a volcanologist. Now we'll see the nature of volcanic eruptions. How this will erupt, how it will come out. Sometimes magma rises slowly to the surface and spreads over a vast area. And this is called fissure eruption. Plateaus which are formed in this way, only we have a Deccan Plateau that is in India and Columbian Plateau that is in North America. Not only lava comes out, even ash, steam, gases and pieces of rocks are thrown out. And this eruption is called explosive eruption because it will be bursting out. The lava has high viscosity. Viscosity means it's like sticky substance, like how the honey flows. When we pour the honey, it will come slowly. So that has a viscosity, that is a sticky substance. Why it is sticky? It is because of the silica and water that is presented in the magma. Then highly viscosity lava is rich in silica and has little water. It moves rapidly, forming smooth flows. Even if you take in Andaman and Nicobar Islands, there we have one Barren Island. This is in Duyuna part. So that lies about 138 kilometers. It has an active volcano from Sumatra to Myanmar. And it erupted in 2017. Okay students, in the next video session, we'll be learning about the types of volcanoes. Thank you students. Have a nice day.